I have some of the chicest, most beautiful pieces right now on Amazon. In fact, you're gonna be saying to yourself, I had no idea that was on Amazon. Let's dive in. These are pieces that you're gonna put in your group chat because they are so good. Everything that I talk about here today is linked down below. I'll also pin it in that comments section. This beautiful dress, high end, look for less. I think it's the color combination. I think it's the fit. It's very linen inspired. I love the block coloring. This is also perfect as we transition into the fall weather. Thicker straps right here so you can wear your most comfortable bra. I love the length on this. I am 5'7" if you're brand new here, and I do have 4 kids ages 5 through 12. Everything I ordered here today is in a size small. There's so much that you can do with this. This is giving me very much effortless East Coast vibes. I was wondering about this. This is 90% cotton and 10% linen. In fact, I made an entire 3-part series of all things natural cotton and linen on Amazon. So I'm going to link that down below for you in case you're interested in that. But this dress is stunning. This next 2-piece set, loving the white, so crisp, so airy, so clean, always feels more expensive than oftentimes you actually paid on Amazon. Gorgeous peplum top. I love that the straps are a little bit thicker, very comfortable, and they're fully adjustable. It zips here in the back. I love the neckline, so you can wear some pretty jewelry, something thick, something chunky if you want to, because that is so popular right now. But you can also keep it very simple and streamlined like I am here today. The pants are very comfortable. They fit nicely on my 5'7" frame, and they're also stretchy and very forgiving. A gorgeous combination if you have a work event coming up, a date night, a brunch, really any place that you want to look, well, just good. These next 2 pieces did not come together, but I thought they paired together so nicely. Fringe, I'm loving all the fringe, very popular right now, especially in this gorgeous white knit. This can go with so many different things. It can go with shorts, it can go with pants, it can go with capris, it can go with balloon pants. I love that it's a little bit thicker here so you can wear your most comfortable bra. In fact, I just wore a nude bra underneath and it fit perfectly. This is that top that you wear to a date night or to a brunch or to everyday wear, where maybe you want to look a little bit nicer than maybe you feel inside, maybe you're tired, maybe you didn't sleep that well. I know that's... There's a random guy in my pond right now. Sorry. I am distracted. Hopefully he's fixing our fountain. Yes, he is. Thank goodness. I love having the windows open and our fountain is just going. I can hear it. I feel like I'm on, I don't know, somewhere nice, a resort of some sort. But back to these pants, very comfortable. I love the lace detail here. Anytime I can add a little bit of lace to my wardrobe, I love it because you can wear it on a date night, you can wear it to a brunch, but you can also just wear it every day, going to an appointment, running errands, nice stretchy waistband. I also love this pink color, and this combination right here is so sweet, so girly and fun. Okay, this next 2-piece set, absolute showstopper. I love all things polka dot. In fact, on Amazon, on my Amazon storefront, I have an entire list dedicated to all the most gorgeous polka dot pieces. I will link down below for you. And if you have not visited my storefront, make sure that you do. It's amazon.com/shop/AndreaJean1. Click on photos. You can see easy access to everything. Lots of stuff that doesn't ever make it here on YouTube with the pictures and the sizing and alternative options. It's just such a great visual way to shop. But back to this 2-piece set, obsessed with this. It zips in the back, very comfortable. The waist is stretchy. There's a little bit of peekaboo, so you can show more of your waistline if you want, or less of your waistline. This fits perfectly. I do not yet know where I'm wearing this, but she's going somewhere fun. Super quick, if you're enjoying this video, will you please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button so that I can reach more people. Now, this simple streamlined polka dot dress is a must-have in your closet. Polka dots are timeless. Sometimes during the year they're more popular than others, but they're always just classic pieces. And now we got a motorcycle going. I mean, this is just quite the little day of distractions here, shall we? Back to this dress. Nice, beautiful smocking here. Spaghetti straps, which are fully adjustable. I love the length on this. I'm also thinking this would pair very nicely from the summer into the fall with a jean jacket over top. Yes, yes, and yes. This beautiful dress, I showed it in a previous video, but it was in a light blue version. This goes with so many different things. This is a high-end look for less, very comfortable if you're feeling a little bit more bloated. You just want that really cute baby doll dress vibe. The straps are thicker here, and I also love the neckline. It's a little bit different. Great length on this, not too short. You can really jazz up this dress with a button down. You could wear a jean jacket, of course, would look stunning with this. You could also make it a little bit more edgy if you wanted to. Put a fun little cardigan over top. I was in the market for a black and white striped cardigan. This is by the brand Andrea. I love the quality of clothing. Look at the gorgeous gold buttons right here in the front pocket, so you can wear this over your shoulders. This can be an outfit in and of itself. I cannot get enough button downs, as you know, and cardigans with really great basics. This next two-piece set, it looks so good on the Amazon AI model, I'm presuming here. I had to know, does it look as good? And it feels great and comfortable. I love that these are pants. They're nice and stretchy, and this is a very comfortable tube top. This just flows so nicely. I'm seeing this style all over the interwebs. High end looks for less, and I love that it's here in the polka dot white and black pattern. I've showed you several tennis dresses on this channel because I love them. They're so easy to slip on, especially if you do not have to wear a bra underneath. This one came with detachable shorts, which is great, especially if you need to go to the bathroom. It also has a built-in bra, and the back on this is absolutely stunning and gorgeous. I love the length on this. It's very fun, very lightweight. If it's a hot day, this is something you're just gonna want to whip on because white always looks so good. And then, of course, I needed a pink button down. I like to roll the sleeves for some added interest, a little bit style flair, if you will. You can leave this open, you can button this, you could tie it around your waist. Like, you can never have too many of these in your closet and your wardrobe. And the best part about it, they are actually functional. So when you go inside somewhere, if it's a little bit cooler or a little bit cooler in the evening, especially as we move into the fall, I have to say I'm getting slightly excited about fall. I do not want summer to end because really I feel like it just started here in Minnesota, but just fall makes me happy. A thumbs up if you can relate to me on that one. Now, I talked about basics. I love basics, and when I find a good one, I like to buy it on repeat and in multiple colors. So these pants you've seen throughout this channel, here they are in this gorgeous pink color, nice and stretchy. I love the length on this, so you certainly can wear a heel if you wanted to. You can wear them as a true high rise. You can pull them down a little bit more. They just feel so good on the body. And I love the combination here with this black and white striped basic top. This is long enough so you can tuck it into anything that you're wearing should you want to. If it's a little bit warmer, you can roll the sleeves, cuff them up a little bit, but this basic combination looks so good and put together. Wear it with your favorite flats or jelly shoes. Even a nice pair of white sneakers would look great with this. This is great for a brunch or a date night or work. So much that you can do depending upon how you accessorize it. And this really beautiful white cardigan, nice and lightweight, that you can throw over so many different things. This is by the Amazon Essentials brand, again in that size small. I can't believe I didn't have like a simple white cardigan. I have a couple in my closet, but not like this streamlined and with such beautiful simplicity. Now, you've seen this top probably all over the interwebs and on this channel, but I had to show you here in this beautiful crisp white color. This pairs nicely with so many different things, especially as we're transitioning into the fall. This would be beautiful with some fall inspired linen and cotton pants, just flowy and lightweight. I love the straps are thicker. Typically with these, I just wear something nude underneath, but you could also pair it with something white, and I love the white on white details. So this paired with some white linen pants, stunning. A beautiful white button down in case you are in the market for one. I'm loving this one right here. And the best part about this button down is it's, well, super chic and beautiful, but it's 100% cotton. So if you love all natural, 100% all natural fabrics, this is it. A couple pieces for you that you can interchange depending upon what your mood is, the look that you're going for. Graphic tees are very popular right now. And I love this limoncello one. Limoncello, however you say that. So cute. I love that it's long enough that you could tuck it in if you wanted to. I like to do a front knot to hug the waistline a little bit more, give it a little bit more style, but you can certainly do what you feel most comfortable in. And then these pants, I've paired them a couple different ways. I paired them with the white knit top that I just previously showed you. I love this color combination. I think it also pairs really beautifully with a graphic tee. You can make it very casual with some white sneakers, but you can elevate this a little bit more. I'm thinking like you put your hair in a really cute bun and you could have some chunky jewelry with this combination. Put a button down over top depending upon if it's a little bit cooler or colder. Pair this with flats or your favorite sandals. The possibilities in combination on a great graphic tee and some comfortable pants are endless. If you love all things Farm Rio, but at an Amazon price point, I've got you covered. This gorgeous dress right here, it looked beautiful on the rack, but I put it on and it felt even more beautiful. And this color combination feels very calming and soothing to me. In fact, I made an entire video on all things Farm Rio on Amazon without the Farm Rio price tag. So I'm going to link that down below for you in case you are interested. But this dress right here is checking off all the boxes. This will also transition beautifully into the fall because of the color combinations. You could pair this with some browns, I think would look really beautiful, or some darker greens, more earthy tones. Okay, this next next dress, oh my word, the color combination. Can I speak to this? She is stunning, catches my eye, so beautiful, like an all year round dress. Maybe not in the winter, but if you're going to a resort or you're going on vacation, which I love to do in the wintertime because it is cold here in Minnesota. I love the cutout here on the front, the spaghetti straps, which are fully adjustable, nice smocking here on the back, and it has these fun little ruffles. This feels great on the body, very flowy and airy. I love the sweetheart top here. This is different than anything else that I have shown or tried out this season, and I'm loving her. This next dress, gorgeous. I showed it in a previous video, but in a different color combination. I had to get it here. It's like a blue and lavender color. Tube top, nice smocking here, very comfortable. I love the length on this. So this is wonderful for super hot summer days or transitioning into the fall. Put a gorgeous jean jacket over top or even a button down and you still look very stylized. You look very beautiful. This looked gorgeous on Amazon, on the Amazon model, and I have to say it looks equally as gorgeous in real time. Beautiful purple. I mean, lavender is all the craze right now, and for good reason. Now this is obviously not lavender, but it's within that genre of the purple color. I showed this in a previous video in the white version and I loved it so much. It's giving me Greek goddess vibes. I love the tie here on the neck. That speaks for itself. I love how this hugs the waistline, so if you are feeling a little bit more bloated, it's just a nice cover for the area, if you know what I mean. And the back on this is stunning, showing that off a little bit here. It is not too short. This feels great. Wedding, a date night, a brunch, a lunch, really anything. Ah, this gorgeous lavender dress. So I shared this in a previous video in a beautiful yellow color, so I had to give it a whirl here in the lavender, and she's equally as beautiful. I love the straps with the spaghetti strap, fully adjustable. You can wear some minimal jewelry or some nice chunky jewelry. This dress just speaks for itself. In fact, it was on another Amazon influencer on Instagram and she looked incredible in it. She's like a 5'5" frame, and I also think this looked great on my 5'7" frame if you're a little bit shorter. Again, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. In fact, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure that you do at Andrea Co, especially Instagram stories, because I post on there every single day things that you're not going to get here on YouTube. Another Farm Rio inspired dress. At first, I was like, how do I actually wear this? I can't quite remember. And then I was like, oh yeah, duh, here's how you do it. So super cute, very sassy, very saucy, very fun, but covered in all the right places, if you know what I mean. I think at first when I had this on the hanger, I was like, what do I do with this? Because my daughter, actually my 12-year-old daughter, was helping me steam all of these pieces for a little extra money. She's at such a fun age where she likes to help me out. Isn't that right, Natalie? She's back just sitting over there. Anyway, back to this dress. She's just so beautiful. I mean, you could really va-va-voom this dress, if you know what I mean. If you're going on a vacation somewhere, it's just in the summer. This could transition also really nicely into the fall. Maybe your falls are a little bit warmer. I know ours can be. Sometimes September is still really hot, which is kind of funny. If you're going back to school, you're ready to wear like your fall back to school clothes. I remember this growing up, but you can't quite wear them because it's too hot. But I do not want to rush fall. It's coming. I will enjoy what is here, but I definitely enjoy looking. In fact, I've been posting a lot of fall related things, not just clothing, on my Instagram stories and my Instagram profile. So make sure that you check that out as well at Andrea Co. Stunning dress, so beautiful. This is gorgeous Farm Rio inspired dress. I love the spaghetti straps. They are fully adjustable. You can really showcase some of your favorite jewelry or keep it very simple and streamlined. It hugs the body in all the right places. I love these kind of dresses because you can show off a little leg. They're lightweight. They are airy. If you are feeling a little bit more bloated, well, you don't have to worry about that because it just cuts you right above sort of that bloat area, if you know what I mean. Maybe you're going through menopause or perimenopause, or you struggle with any sort of health conditions, or maybe it's that time of the month. Don't get me wrong, I definitely love the clothing that can showcase the waistline and when you're feeling really good, but I also love those clothes that you can just throw on, just eat whatever you want to. It doesn't matter. You feel comfortable. I love it all. And last but not least, this gorgeous blazer. I showed this in my Georgia vlog video. My husband and I took a work trip together. I actually vlogged my first vlog here on this channel after 7 years. I want to say 7 years on YouTube. I will link that down below for you as well. I share a ton of really great travel tips that I've learned over the years with 4 kids and just loving to travel, but I had to get this blazer in the pink version. I have it in the blue, I have it in the white, I have it in the black. This is perfect to pair over so many different things, especially something like this where it's a little bit cooler inside, transitioning through all of the seasons. I mean, you can even wear this in the winter because, well, you know, holiday dresses will be up and coming before we know it. It's like a blink of the eye. Time goes so fast. I feel like that with my kids. I mean, my youngest, she just turned 6 years old, and I'm like, just stop the clock, stop moving. I do not want time to fast forward anymore. Let me know if you can relate to that at all. Let me know your favorite piece from this collection, and we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.